Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions. Sign in and confirm your account and 2FA are valid because authentication often blocks sync. Next, check device time and network quality. Use wired Ethernet or reliable Wi-Fi. Latency kills sync. Once those are set, quit apps that might lock files and make a fast backup of local changes so you can safely reset sync. These steps remove common blockers and prepare you to run diagnostic tools immediately. You now diagnose and repair the core problem by reading logs and running the built-in diagnostic tool. Watch for specific error codes and timestamps because they point to root causes. Then clear the app cache and reauthorize the connection to refresh tokens. This fixes many stale session issues. Once reauthorized, trigger an incremental sync rather than full sync to speed recovery, and compare local versus remote file lists so you can identify and prioritize conflicts before continuing. You finish by forcing a full resync only when incremental attempts fail, and be prepared. Full resyncs take longer and use more bandwidth. Then resolve conflicts. Choose the authoritative copy or merge manually, save changes, and mark items resolved so the system stops retrying. If problems persist, collect diagnostic logs, test syncing from a different device to isolate the client, and send concise logs and steps to support. This gives technicians the context they need to fix complex issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.